Hello and welcome to Elementary Music with Donna. I am Donna Rhodenizer. I have a song to share with you today called Under My Bed. It's not about monsters under your bed, and it is really a very dreamy and gentle song about cleaning your room. I have a student that has helped me sing this song, and I will let you hear the first verse of it and then we'll come back and discuss Under My Bed.
Under my bed? What is under my bed? When I clean my room, I find all of the things that I left behind under my bed. Under my bed. There's chewing gum I saved
The inspiration for Under My Bed came from my childhood years sharing a room with my sister. Our housekeeping styles were quite different, and I must say that her side of the room was always quite cluttered, and we had some very distinct discussions over, you keep your stuff on your side of the room, I'll keep my stuff on my side of the room, just to keep peace. But I do remember her cleaning under her bed. Our family often laughed and told the story that if my sister needed to find some extra cash, all she had to do was clean under her bed, and there would be certain to be some change and other treasures under there that would help further her cause, and she could go shopping because she'd find some money under there. But as I thought about her pulling these things out from under her bed, what are things that you would find? There would be some things that you would have just stuffed under there because you wanted to get rid of them, but there would be treasures as well, things that were maybe forgotten that you even had, but that were very special to you, that somehow found their way under the bed. And so that's sort of how this song came to fruition. When you are singing this song with your students, you can introduce the song with a discussion. What would be under your bed if you went home today and just looked under there? Would there be junk? Would there be special treasures? What would be under there? And so you can bring that personal connection to your students. They love to talk about their world and connect with the song that they're singing. So this is a good way to do that. This song works well for singers ages 12 and under, students in grades 4, 5, and 6, in that range, because of the jazzy sort of tones that are included in it. The ABA structure of each verse is such that the beginning and the end, the A sections, are in a major key, and in the B section, the middle section, you're going to go in and out of major minor tonalities, so it doesn't really stay in either one, it just sort of floats back and forth between the two. So that's a little bit of sophisticated melodic work that you will have with your students in that section. You can also look at the structure of the piece of music itself. There are first and second endings. So you will sing the whole piece of music. When you get to the end of the first ending, you're going to go back to the very beginning of the piece. And this is a technical thing that you will have to discuss. Where is the beginning repeat sign, the double bar with the two dots? It isn't there because you're going from the first ending repeat sign right back to the very beginning of the song. You will also see some tempo changes, and those help give that sort of rubato, that push and pull through the song that gives it that dreamy quality. So encourage your students to play with that a little bit and find what they think helps make this song very expressive as they sing Under My Bed. Under My Bed is available at DonnaAndy.com. In that download, you will get a vocal score, printed lyrics sheet, full score, 2 accompaniment tracks with and without melody guide, and a few teaching tips that you can print off that are like the ones that I've mentioned here in this video. Wherever you are, whether you're cleaning under your bed or whether you're singing about cleaning under your bed, I hope you have a great day making music and make music a great part of your day.